Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft here with another video. And well, it's almost there, guys. Truck's almost done. I must say about 95% done. We still got to run some hard lines on the air compressors, to the manifold, to the air tank, and finish the firewall for the front, and probably roll the fenders. I'm getting a little bit of rubbing when I turn. But she's running, she turns on, fuel cell's connected, fuel pressure is good. Right now what I'm doing is trying to finish up the interior. Because I remember, I'm no longer gonna do red interior. I am going with peanut butter color interior. So I did get that center console, the Denali one. That's going in today with the bottom pieces that I also got with that. So let's take a look at our interior right now. Don't mind the mess. It's been a rough year. But this is our original interior. I got new door panels for the truck. Some, what are they called? OEM, not manual ones, but electric ones. So those will be going on. The seat covers, I will be taking those off and getting the seats reupholstered professionally. Obviously I gotta change all the red on top of the dash, get a new steering wheel get a new steering wheel cover. If you guys remember, I had some switches right here. Well, I had to take those off because the center console goes here and it's a complete unit, so all this is gonna be gone, so I'm not gonna have room for switches there. So what I ended up doing is buying some push switches. So all my switches will be here now. I bought this little 3D printed panel that had the holes pre-drilled for the switches. It makes life so much easier. Also, I finally got a little panel for this part right here, because if you guys don't know, these are my window switches. So I'm finally gonna put that in so I can look somewhat more OEM, even though that's not OEM, because OEM is on the doors, right? But it'll look more original. It won't just look like I just placed it there and be all loose. So that's the move right now. Starting to remove everything. Also replaced my amp with the new one. Got to rewire my speakers, make them into a 1 ohm. But that's where we're at right now, guys. I'll get back to you guys when I get more shit done to it. Or here's a little panel that I'm talking about. This is gonna go right here, and then I'm gonna cut a little square out to fit that in, so it doesn't have these ugly gaps right here, and it won't be loose. But that's also another little 3D printed cap that I bought. If you guys are interested in any of these, we'll put the link down in the description to the guy who sells them on eBay. Pretty sick. He has a bunch of other ones. But yeah, I think they were like 25 bucks each, which, I mean, kind of expensive, not too bad. I think that was pretty cheap. That was fair. But yeah, here's the setup for the tank. All this wiring, or not wiring, the hoses will be converted to hardline. Gonna make the setup look cleaner. There's the fuel cell. Obviously I still gotta bed liner the whole bed, make it look nice and all that. I still gotta wrap the whole truck and so on. But yeah, I mean, at least it's running now. That's what I was most urging for the truck to run. So it's drivable. Like I said, the front rubs a little bit in the front fenders, but that can easily be fixed with some rolling. But yeah, guys, catch you guys back up when I get the center console installed. All right, guys, so it's already pretty late, but here's a little update. We're currently changing out my alternator because it's dead. If you guys don't know how to check if your alternator is the one that's wrong, you can turn on your truck or jump start it since it's not starting, and then disconnect the positive side of your battery. And if the truck turns off, your alternator is not holding charge. But if it stays on, then it's your battery. So we figured out it's the alternator. Luckily we got warranty, so we're gonna go disconnect this shit, get it swapped out, bring it with the new one. Quick center console update. Don't mind the red seats. Those will be taken off sometime in the future when I start redoing my whole interior, but at least the center console's in. Check out this crazy ass clearance right on the sub box. It barely fit, guys, but it's in. Oh, there we got some lube.
Lube it up. Damn, barely has any. Yeah, we need more. I need to fucking lube it up.
We need more lube. Check out this, guys. He just installed his TBSS intake and his oil catch can. Can't wait to do that to my truck, because you know, fast boys over here.
Find a better one.
He tried to give you the old one.
Now we got business.
Hasta con popote.
Pito. With the pitito. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay.
Hey, my boy. It's like taking the heart out. Damn. Okay.
Now we're gonna lube this up and leave it lubed while we leave
For the next client.
Put it in the back of the truck.
Woo! Alright, catch you guys when we come back. We're just gonna be going to AutoZone. Alright guys, well I'm gonna have to close out the video here today. Unfortunately, we were not able to swap out the alternator tonight, but it's gonna be done tomorrow, Wednesday. I'll be back Thursday. Finish up what I need to finish up, and then it should be good to go for this Sunday. We're having a Bowls, Arizona cookout. So all the chapters from Arizona are meeting up in Tucson. Phoenix, Tucson, Bowls Valley, and two little fat bitches from Las Vegas is gonna be pulling up. So I'll make a vlog on that. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hope you guys like the new interior. It's not finished, but at least the center console is in, and the switches are in, all that good stuff. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.